Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to talk about rape and the rape culture in Jamaica. A news article that what came out of the Gleaner says children under the age of 10 is being abused during the COVID-19 lockdown. And as the girl them at Jamaica start bust breast by them at 10, 11, you start hear the man them start psst. They like then they blow out the window to their chest off of the little young girl them. So this is translating into predatory behavior, and we are seeing it even more now that we have been locked down in a pandemic. So let's get into the story. It says sexual abuse among children as young as 2 years old has increased due to the COVID-19 lockdown, noted a Clarendon medical practitioner who labeled some of the cases as very vicious. Dr. Bradley Edwards, senior medical officer at Maypen Hospital, said he is quite concerned about the growing number of minors believed to have been raped or sexually molested during the stay-at-home measures implemented to curb the spread of the virus. If you look at the statistics involving children, most of the rape cases are between the ages of 10 and 14. But our cases right now are in the 2 to 10-year-old age group. Wow. Those cases we would only see once in a blue moon, but we are now seeing a sharp increase in the last month, Edwards told the Gleaner. For the whole year, we would probably have 1 or 2 cases involving this age group, but now we have seen at least 9 cases in 1 month. So instead last year they saw 1 to 2 of those cases where a child was raped between the ages of 2 and 10. This year, within 1 month, he have seen 9 cases of children being raped between the ages of 2 and 10. That is so sad. We are not used to seeing those numbers, and it's very alarming. Some of the cases are vicious, very vicious, noting that almost a dozen children have been admitted to the hospital for sexual abuse in the last month. He pointed out, in addition to psychological trauma, some children also suffer irreparable physical damage. Because of COVID-19, the children are at home longer with the perpetrator. He charged, noting that the hospital has been working with police to investigate the cases. Edwards' concern followed local international reports about an increase in child abuse as well as the numbers of children who have gone missing during the COVID-19 pandemic. According to the children advocate group Hear the Children Cry, at least 33 minors have been reported missing to that office since school were suspended in March. The corporate area St. Anne, St. Elizabeth, St. Mary have reported the most missing cases. In May, Osborne Bailey, head of Ministry of Justice Victim Service Division, noted that the number of sex crimes against children was rivaling those committed against adults in that month alone. The division has offered counseling to an increased number of victims over the period. Because the counseling, they're going to need a lot of counseling and a lot of therapy, okay? Especially in that age group. How do you bounce back from something like that? Kids don't even understand what's going on, what's being done to them. Oh my God. Overall, the trend has been that these children become victims usually through those closest to them. So if a child becomes a victim of, say, rape, it's very rare that it's a complete stranger. It is somebody in the home, somebody related to the child, Bailey stated. They're saying that they're normally getting abused by people that they know and trust. Family members, friends, cousins, uncles, aunties. Okay. The preliminary data for March 2020 shows about 27.6% reduction in the number of reports received from the previous month. I saw a petition going around for a sex offenders registry to be created in Jamaica, and I wholeheartedly agree that a sex offenders registry needs to be created so people can know who are the sex offenders, where they live, and if they're in approximate close range to their children. And I feel like they should not be allowed to live near anybody with children or be employed near children or any of that. But the petition, I'll link in the description box, pin it in the comment section, and the person that I seen posting it was Tevin S. Wright. So I don't know if he's the one that started it, but he's the one that I see promoting it and telling people to sign it. So big up to him and big up to everybody that already signed. And if you haven't signed the petition yet, please sign it. Thank you very much in advance. I also feel like in our culture, sometimes these kids that are getting molested, they don't believe them because they're young or they're feel like they're lying or something. But once any child says that they were molested, they should automatically be given the benefit of the doubt. And a lot of times I see a lot of people protecting these pedophiles and these rapists and not giving them to the police and sending them to jail where they belong. And it's very disheartening and sad because a lot of these kids go all through their whole life without getting any justice or getting any closure from situations like this. So like, comment, leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what your thoughts are on how we should address these increase in rape cases. What do you think needs to be done? A sex offenders registry? They think they need to build a new prison? Should they start hanging people? Tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.